This is a review of a clothes hamper
Okay.
that is so much fun to sit in and play with. Let me see Elsa. How does Elsa play?
Oh, shit.
Yeah. It came in a set of two. One is color turquoise and white, and the other one is white with turquoise handle. And on the bottom, it says dark, and the other one says light. So you could separate your darks and your lights. But pretty sturdy. We've had these for, I don't know, probably almost a year now. The only piece that broke was one of these. I think it's this one. Snapped off, yeah. See, this snapped off, but it snaps back in, so that's the only piece that broke. We got these at Sam's Club, and they're a lot of fun for an almost 2-year-old to sit in and play. And they hold a really good size load of laundry. If I fill it up, it really fills up the laundry, the wash. All right, thanks for watching. Let me see, baby. Is it broken? Yeah. So that's how it broke. Well, not from her, but that's how it is broken.
This one looks cheap.
That one's broken too? No, this one's not broken, right? Just that one?
This one's cheap.
Is this fun?
This one's fun.
What do we do with this, baby? What is this?
This one's broken.
That one's broken, yeah. Good job reviewing this, Carolina. You fixed it. Yay. Oh.
Again, look again.
You broke it again?